This makes me happy. I love seeing the big outlets, the CoinDesks, the Cointelegraphs, having to cover Shiba Inu, right? And covering Shiba Inu just because they have to, because they too caught wind that Shiba Inu's based Shibarium blockchain expected to go live in August. The Layer 2 network, of course, will utilize Bone, Treat, Shib, and Leash tokens for applications built on the blockchain. And we're going to dive into that in a little bit more detail here in this video. If it's your first time dropping in, my name's Zach. Welcome back to the channel. We talk all things crypto all the time. Shiba Inu built our channel here, so we talk about it every single day. It's what got me heavily invested into crypto, and it's opened my world to a lot of new possibilities. But the much-awaited Layer 2 blockchain Shibarium is expected to go live after a Toronto conference in August, slated for the 13th to the 17th, out there in Toronto, which let me know down below if you guys are thinking about going to that. I'm actually thinking about getting a ticket. I think I actually want to go check it out. We'll see. Layer 2, though, of course, refers to a set of off-chain systems, separate blockchains, if you will, built on top of Layer 1 protocols. This will be built on top of Ethereum, that reduce bottlenecks in scaling and data, So this is why Shibarium is being launched, to reduce the bottlenecks that we experience on the Ethereum Layer 1 network. These bundle multiple off-chain transactions into a single Layer 1 transaction, which helps reduce the data loads and fees. The completed world paper will also be exhibited. All SHIB-branded projects will be published, and Treat, which will be the new rewards token in the SHIB ecosystem, that'll be published in detail for the first time. In addition, it is very likely that we will also discuss and release the long-awaited L2 Shibarium, Satoshi says. Shibarium's testnet, or testing blockchain, has seen meaningful activity in the past months, with 20 million transactions from an estimated 16 million wallets as of June. Such brisk activity on the Shibarium testnet indicates demand for the network. Do want to highlight here, I don't know if CoinDesk just kind of missed this point, but some of these users were added by the Shib team. They were not all real individuals, so I just want to make sure that's very, very clear. Developers have previously said Shibarium would have a focus on metaverse and gaming applications, and we're going to dive into that in more detail. Shibarium is going to focus on metaverse gaming applications. The launch could contribute to strong fundamentals for Shib. And again, we're making that transition from meme token to utility. This is why Shibarium is so important. It's the glue to make us and allow us to transition into a utility-based ecosystem. Not just a token, utility-based ecosystem, right? And a lot of people are laughing, but Shiba Inu is in the midst of positioning itself as a serious project. So get ready, folks. Things are about to get interesting when this L2 blockchain drops. I appreciate you guys so much. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Peace.